Darwin and Freud are like nonstop all-day entertainment. It's like watching a movie. They will not even do their own thing. They will go to each other to be together. When Darwin is in the cage and Freud is free, he'll tease him, kind of like, haha, I'm out here, you're in there. They fight over cardboard and paper. I don't know why. Darwin will literally chase him around the house for like an hour, and he will get it. They're really brothers. They're pretty much the silliest example of real friendship you can imagine. And it was completely opposite of everything that they had told me. Darwin is crazy, but in a fun way. He's very interested in everything he sees. He wants to be involved in everything. During COVID, I was very lonely and very isolated, and I just wanted another companion. It was the best day of my life. I took him out of his little travel bag and I put him up against my chest. And the minute he clung to me, he's never left.
You have to eat. It's necessary to survive. I don't know.
Oh my God.
If you're cleaning, he's on your shoulder. If you're working on the computer, he's on your shoulder. Sometimes he's even on your head. It was like meeting my soulmate. Bonded from the second we met each other. He's always been next to me. From that moment, his personality started to show.
Snack station.
He loves everybody. He's very outgoing, well-trained, well-mannered. He's just a funny guy all around. But he was mostly bonded to me. Just the warmth of having him next to me. It's a very comforting feeling. But I noticed that when he would see birds outside or when I would take him to the pet store, he would be really interested in them. I started showing him bird videos. He was very excited when he would see them. That's actually how he started to talk. He loves to watch when they move or when they put their face up to the camera. He'll try and kiss them. So I decided to get a new bird for him to, bring out his real birdness. I went online and I found a family who was rehoming a white ringneck.
Say hi to the Instagram birds.
So I ended up adopting Freud and brought him home. And it's been quite interesting since then. I had Freud come meet Darwin first.
Yeah, good boy. Give a kiss. Yeah, give me a kiss.
They were talking to each other back and forth. They got close to each other, but not close enough that they could touch each other. Darwin was a little bit, what is this? Because he's used to seeing the birds through a window or through a computer screen. But it only took about a day and they started to get a little bit closer. Freud wanted to be Darwin's friend so badly. Freud would just be right up in his face.
Good boy.
Darwin, when he wants his alone time, he'll walk away. But Freud will follow him and start talking to him into his face. So if Freud is in his cage, Darwin will go to the cage and talk to him through the cage. It's really funny.
Are you okay?
Freud learned so much from Darwin right from the first day. He watches Darwin play with the toy and he will mimic exactly what Darwin's doing. Freud is the best thing for him. Oh, I do have another lovebird in the home. I found Poe in a pet store. She was alone in a little cage. No toys, no food, just a little thing of water. So I just felt like I needed to give her a chance. When I brought Poe home, Darwin was a little bit skeptical. When she comes close to him, he will just slowly walk away. When she comes close to Freud, they argue like a married couple. She's not aggressive. She'll just walk up to them and kind of move her head forward, and they listen to her. She's a little spark. The only time she gets involved in anything that Darwin or Freud are doing is when there's food. And she's like the little sister. I think they love their little flock.
Are you okay?
Because they are never really alone in the wilds. Just hearing their chirps and being able to give them baths. Feeding them fresh food every day, it makes me feel good to be able to give them a good life.
Hi. What are you doing?
The friendship with a bird is like unbreakable. They're always with me, so they show me their love through loyalty, and I'm just their person. My birds bring life into my life. I feel like they're just everything to me.
If you are rescuing or thinking of adopting an exotic animal, please make sure to contact professionals and do your research so that they can have the best life possible.